Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. As someone hailing from the province called the birthplace of the heroes, Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Chelsea Manalo knows the importance of history and paying tribute to our past. That's why she can't contain her excitement for the newly launched Centro de Turismo Intramuros. Part of the center is the Museo de Intramuros, a groundbreaking museum that will provide tourists and attendees with an interactive exploration journey of Intramuros' illustrious past. Chelsea joined First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos and other VIPs in the launch of the center, which offers an immersive discovery of the past and a peek into the future of the walled city. The event was a significant milestone in promoting cultural heritage and educating the public about the rich history of Intramuros. And Chelsea's enthusiasm and presence at the launch underscore her commitment to celebrating and preserving the historical legacy that shapes our national identity. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!